Hey, what's going on? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Quickly doing a update. Put a few hours in today. Started on the project. There's little Rocco, buddy. Rocky, come here. Come over here, Rocky. Come here. Come here, Rocky. Come on. Get over here. Come on. He wants me to follow him. Anyway, if we can get Rocky in a bit, I'll show you Rocky, the new pup, and you guys can tell me if you know what kind of dog he is. Anyway, it's Tony here, guys. Thanks for jumping on. So quickly, here's what we did today. We took off the front bumper cover. Now, if you guys can hear me and see me, please type in the chat really quickly. Give me some feedback so I know everything is good and we can get cranking. There we go. Adrian says, that's my dog's name. Sweet. Okay, so, see you. All right, awesome. So here's what we're doing. We took off the front bumper cover. What's up, Pedro? What's up? What's up? What's up? Great, guys. Thanks for hopping on. Any first-timers in the house? First-timers, put in first-timer. VIPs, type in VIPs. If you've been on many times, put many times. Second time. Jeff, what's up, Jeff? What's up, Kevin? I saw your video. That's awesome. And I got that video. You said something about compounding and buffing. I actually, dude, we have step-by-step videos in the VIP course, man, that shows you everything with color sanding and buffing. So you want to sand it down with 2,000, 2,500 grit. You want to use a Meguiar's compound with a wool pad. Wool pads are okay. You know, I'm not going to totally rule them out, but wool pads are okay. And then you can go to a foam pad. All right, I like to use the Meguiar's right here, okay? And I show you all of that. If you're VIP, you got the course. Everything's in there for step-by-step buffing as well. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you a quick update. Here's the bumper cover, right? We got a little bit of damage in here. We're going to redo. Little crack here. Nothing crazy, right? Right in here, it looks like it got scuffed up. Okay, we're going to sand this out, smooth it down with about probably 150, okay, 150 or so. We're going to coat it with filler. All right, this, we're going to get the heat gun quickly, bend it back into shape. Okay, we're going to put some maybe fiberglass cloth in the back. I don't know if I want to go too crazy, or I'll just use some metal tape that I have, and then we'll just put some filler in the front. We'll fill it up with body filler. All right, so I'll show you what we do here. What I'm thinking of doing in this section is cutting these out. Okay, we're going to cut these out, the rest of these, and we're going to put a wire mesh in back of it. This is the front bumper cover, all right? I'm not going to go crazy here. We're not going to put in $5,000 on this stupid little mini truck, but we will customize it. All these slots here, we're going to cut out with a die grinder, okay? And we are going to put in the metal mesh in the back of this front bumper cover. Yeah, Kevin, you could do that, but I would put something in the back of it. Use like a metal tape, and you could Bondo it. All right, and when you put the tape in back of it, don't put it flush. Put like a circle, so the Bondo is going to be very thick in that area. And this is the metal tape that I use. Where the hell is it? Okay, it's a foil tape, super thick. Do I have any leftover? No, I don't. But it's a foil tape like this. It's like literally like thick aluminum foil, but it's a tape. This is really good to backfill stuff if you want to fill with Bondo. Exactly. It's like for heating and ventilation, or for AC vents. So that's that. That's what we're going to do here. And like I said, if you're going to tape, say this is the hole that we want to cover, right? You don't want to put the tape flat like that, right? Put a bucket in back of it, okay? But tape it so the Bondo doesn't drip out. This way it'll be a thick area. And you're going to want to make sure you sand the top of it, and then put a nice 2K filler primer on top, and then block it out nicely, because you don't want to have that circle ring on the finished product, right? Where the hell did this dog go? Anyway, here's what else we did. We took off all the weather stripping. I don't want to make this too long. All right, so we took the weather stripping off here, took the door panels out, and again, this is all HD videoed, all right, for VIP guys. Door panels came off, weather stripping came off because we're going to be painting in the door jambs. I am not going to paint inside the cab. Inside, we're not going to paint, and that's why I'm kind of keeping it white, because I don't want to mess with the inside, right? Because the inside's nice, it just has to be cleaned, right? But we are going to be painting all the door jambs. This we're going to be painting, okay? All around the door jambs we're going to be done. Professional, looking really nice. Okay, so as we go around, we took out all the rubber grommets. If we go around here, I took off our mud flaps. We took off our lights. What's up, Brazil? All right, we took off our license plate light. We took out this sticker. I'm not sure if I want to basically take these off because I kind of like these decals and I can't find them. So what I might do is just mask them off and paint around it and then take it off and clear it and put it inside of the clear coat. All right, so that's what I might do with these. This one I had to because I tried taking it off and I ruined it. Okay, so I just took it off. All right, so everything is off. What's up, Trinidad? We took off our rack. Okay, this is our rack. I'm probably gonna paint this teal. This I imported from Osaka, Japan. Osaka, Japan. It has like 6,000 miles on it. It's a 1989. Super clean. All right. And same thing on this side. All right. So we basically stripped it down to where handles are going to be painted same color as the car. All right. So this is going to be white, actually white. Bodywork is going to be done. The front, we took off all the decals with a heat gun. You can see the leftover. Again, this is all on video as well. I just want to give you a quick update. We pulled the antenna off. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. I will put the antenna back. All right. So here is the overall. Yeah, the steering wheel is on the right, and the battery was dead because I wasn't driving it. But now I put a trickle charge on it overnight. Thing cranks up like nothing. Watch. Well, you got to give it a little bit of gas. These things. There you go. Pretty cool. Engine is underneath the seat here. If you want to take a look at it, 3-cylinder engine. Anyway, now it's time for freaking body work. So if you see inside of this yellow taping here, that is going to be where the two-tone's going to go. All right, so in here, we are going to have our teal. Okay, it's going to wrap around the truck. So in here is going to be teal. Bar is going to be teal or black. I'm not sure yet. Top section will be white. Okay, I'm going to probably split it down here. So when I paint the back of this bed area, it shows bad connection. Hopefully we get a better connection. Is everybody hearing me and seeing me? I'm getting a bad connection, very bad connection signal right now. Yeah, all good. Okay, well, it's saying bad connection on my end. Anyway, okay. So we are going to be spraying, when I spray the white, we're going to be spraying all of this white, okay? I am going to put a black bed liner in here. I'm not sure exactly which one I want to use yet. There's a couple of options. But if you see this seam over here, right? You guys can see that seam. That's where I'm going to split it, and I'm going to do like a black bed liner in there, down in the bed and inside of the tailgate area, right? So we're basically going to put new white paint up to this line and above. Hope you guys are getting this. And then down will be a bed liner black inside here, like a rubberized. All right, and the top, so we'll have white and then the teal. I think this rack will look cool teal or black. So that's the game. So anyway, in here will be teal, and then teal will be, this part will be teal. Okay, so it's gonna get bigger. Okay, so it's gonna go literally from here down here will be teal, this whole part. So it's gonna go from fat to skinny in here. And then we're gonna come around, we're gonna have a teal strip go through the front. All right, bumper cover is gonna be the same color as the white. And I already kind of figured it out, what we're gonna be doing with the pearls and flakes and two-tone. So it's gonna look pretty cool. It's gonna look pretty cool. Just wanted to say, hey, here's the update. Next process will be basically doing the body work. All right, we got all the parts off the car. Now it's pulling that out, hitting some Bondo on it, skin a Bondo on here, some Bondo here, you know, go around the truck, sand it with 320 grit. This is 320 already right in here, okay? Whole truck's gonna be taken down with 320 grit. Then we're gonna prime the areas where we wanna prime, like this metal. Some areas you get down to metal. Bodywork areas, we're gonna 2K prime. The whole bumper cover, we're gonna prime, right? Because we're gonna be painting this the same color as the car, right? And once that's done, we're gonna take it down, wash everything down with 400 grit. 400 is the final grit before base coat, clear coat, okay? So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. Give me a quick thumbs up. And if you are a total newbie here, check out learnautobodyandpaint.com to get a free auto body and paint manual, or click the top right of your YouTube video here. You're gonna see a little circle where you could click on that a little later. I haven't updated the video yet. And you can go and grab your free 85-page auto body manual and 7-day trainings for DIY auto body. I'm not sure if I want to make these little fender flares here teal, or I don't know. I'm not sure what color I want to make. I might just keep those white. But again, under here, the frame will be black undercoat. Black undercoat. Okay? Yes, Kevin, I'm still waiting on another round of testimonials to come in. I'm still waiting. So when we get everybody's submission, then we'll do that. All right, so quick update. Sunday, I'll be cranking on it. The next major phase would be just sanding and Bondo. This is a real tiny truck, so it's going to go really quick. Once I get cranking on it, it's a couple-day project, literally. It's just me, you know, getting the time and doing it. So I would say body work could be done in a day. The whole truck body work should be done. I'm talking about laying the filler, shaping it, and getting it all done and priming it, right? All done, whole truck, one day. And then basically going around sanding it another day. So it's really like a 3-day hardcore project if you're on it for 8 to 10 hours a day, probably. You know, maybe this would take a little extra time because it's just time consuming to sand the whole freaking bar down, right? That might be time consuming. This we're gonna paint as well. The headlamp casing we're gonna paint as well after the fact. So after we do the truck, then, you know, some of the extra pieces will be painted. The mirrors will be painted. I think we're gonna run with a silver, right? Just keep it kind of cool looking with a nice silver, because I do have silver, because I plan to make around the lights, the light bezels, silver as well, right? And then we're gonna have the teal, we're gonna have the white, we're gonna have the white pearl, we're gonna have flake, we're gonna have flake in the teal. And also the rims, we're gonna paint those too. I'm not sure if I want to do white rims with a teal cap or teal rims with a white cap. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. But the rims will be matching, and no, I'm not going to spend $800 and get rims and tires for this stupid thing. It's a cool work wheels from Up Garage. So, I mean, it's a cool little truck, but again, I'm not spending a ton of money on it. I mean, the truck itself How much did I pay for it? I think I paid $25 for the truck and $1,500 to get it over here. So I'm in it literally $4,000 as is, right? Sitting the way it is. And then with paint material, so say $4,500 I'll be in it, because I'm not going to be doing crazy upgrades. I'm not going to be doing the interior, you know, like redoing, putting diamond tuck seats in it. I'm not doing any of that. I'm just going to take the seats out when we're done, wash them, clean them. They actually look really good. This one's a lot cleaner, but this one. What do you mean by band the Steelies? What do you mean by that, band? How much do you... I'm not going to sell it. We're going to keep this truck. It's a little cool little farm truck. I actually want to try to get it on the road legally here. That'll be freaking awesome. Like, you do not see these. If you go to Japan, you will see these things all over Japan. Yeah, they charge like 8 to 10 grand for these on Craigslist. I can actually import them. I hooked up with the importer. I can import them day and night, but it's like, do I want to get into that right now? I can get a whole bunch of these. But of course, some of them are in worse shape than others. But this one is in freaking great condition. You know, a little banged up, not bad at all. Anyway, let's go see if we can find Mr. Rocky. What's up, guys? Rocky! Come on! Come here! Let's go see if we can show you the dog. Widen them a few inches, insert a steel band. Oh, that's... I don't know if I want to get into that. Come here! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come here! Hey! I think he just wants to go in the house. It's hot. Yeah, he dug out. Anyway, it's Tony. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. And I'll be back next week with an update. And you will see how it looks. Cheers, guys. Talk soon. Again, for the free auto body manual, click on the top right of the video and you will get it. Cheers.